practice on how to find the missing length and parameters. Okay, dear, check question number first. You seen it clearly? Let's suppose first we try on one example. We have one square. You seen it clearly?
Hold on. Wait a second. Okay.
So dear, you are on my pointer.
Yeah.
Click on teacher icon. Good. So you check that dear. Today we are make practice on how to find the missing length and parameter. Here you seen it clearly. Let's suppose in this example we have two sides are equal to 8 meter and 8 meter, and the total parameter of this shape is 24. How much?
24.
Good. We check this either 32. We consider it 32 because it will make a sequence. So here you check that how we find the missing length. This side is how much and this side is how much. So dear, you seen it clearly. In rectangle the opposite side are equal. I am right? Excellent. So this one is 8 meter, this one is 8 meter. First of all we add them. 8 into 8 we get 16. Understand? Good. Now we subtract from total the given parameter, which is 32. 32 negative 16, we get how much?
32 negative 16. Let me see.
At 16. I am right?
Yes.
Good. So actually you seen it clearly. 16 we get for these both side. I am right? So now 16 is the resultant missing length that we get by this shape. So we divide 16 on 2 because this is for two sides. I am right? For top and bottom. So 2 times 16. 2 times how much we get 16?
8.
Good. It means that the missing side each one contain 8 meter. How much meter?
8.
Meter. So you seen it clearly. Now we recheck our answer. 8 into 8 we get 16. 16 8 into 8 we get 24. 24 8 into 8 we get 32 or not?
Yes.
Good. Similarly in this case, if this one side is equal to 2, because you know in triangle and rectangle we have opposite sides are equal, so 2 8 into 2 we get 4. I am right? Good. And total parameter is given 12, so we subtract 12 negative 4, we get 8. How much?
8.
8. Now 8 is also for top and bottom, so 8 we divide on 2. 2 times how much we get? 8?
2 times 4.
Good. So it means that each side contain 4. Understand?
Yes.
Now we recheck our answer. 2 8 into 4 we get 2 8 into 4. 8 into 8 into 4, which is equal to
10.
no 2 times
Wait,
4,
what'd you say? You said 2 add into 4, and then
yes,
add into another 4. So
8
2.
into 2 you skip 2. 2 8 into 4 we get 6. 6 8 into 2 we get 8. 8 8 into 4 we get 12. Understand? We get the same parameters. Understand? Can you make practice on question number 2?